Okay, hi guys, welcome to Nikhil VTech channel. Okay, I'm ready with a new video. Are you ready to listen? Don't skip the video because I was completely exciting today. I am explaining them my favorite subject, engineering graphics today. Means engineering graphics, the basics only, not completely. Especially one separate topic. Don't miss the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. I'm ready with the PowerPoint presentation. Let's go through it once. About engineering graphics only. Okay, completely engineering graphics. What is engineering graphics? First, we should learn about it now. What is engineering graphics? Engineering graphics is a technical way of representing objects to convey information. Simply, we can say that if anybody asks this definition, simply we can say that means what a technical way of representing objects to convey information means if we want to say something to other person, what we'll do, we should have a source of communication through language, through means through language, whether it Hindi, whether it is Telugu or Hindi, or we can just speak language, but we should explain the we should explain what is in our mind means any diagram, or we can't show it him, no. So we use a paper presentation. So engineering graphics is a type of subject. It does not it does not matter of anything like speaking or listening or writing. It just a study of representing something on the paper, means what you're using, drawing sheet or a drawing board, whatever it is. We should represent graph pictorial have you heard about pictorial representation? So it is a pictorial representation, means you should communicate with other people, means what you're drawing they should understand. They should understand a picture manner, means through graphical representation. So it is known as engineering graphics. Whether it will be useful for CSC students, EC students, mechanical, triple E civil. Let's in the next slide I'll show you the main thing. Generally, all the CSC students will think, what is the need of what is the need of engineering graphics for us? We are CSC students, we just make software, means generally what CSC students will do, just coding software, preparing for software jobs. What is the role of CSE student actually? Preparing software programming, simply we can say that. Then what is the need of engineering graphics for CSE student? Have you got any idea about that? Okay. The main aim of CSE student should be software programming. But if any situation comes to him like that, for example, see, particularly I mentioned here for a separate example about a railway issue. And that means what I have faced in recently. As I said, I'm a day scholar to Vignan College. So there's I have listened a communication same in the railway station anamata. So once go through this, what that example is, if a railway person comes to you and asks him to prepare a software, what is the software means, just it's not a issue for as you as CSE student, it's not a issue for you preparing software. What is the software? Ticket vending machine, automatic ticket vending machine, ATVM. Generally we will see in the oral railway stations, means no need of again uh, generally we only can take the ticket. So it will give from station to station, we'll get the ticket, we'll give the amount to phone per whatever it is, it's all nuisance. Okay, then you're using that machine, no. How it is prepared? As a CSC student, software will be prepared. Then where we should keep that software? In a device, some particular space it should occupy, no. In that space means in that device you should keep that software. Then automatic ticket vending machine will be prepared. So for making that device, what will be useful? Engineering graphics. So you must learn engineering graphics. Engineering graphics, not advanced engineering graphics, means advanced engineering graphics will be useful for just not for CSC, triple E, mechanical, civil. Advanced engineering graphics will be useful for them. But you must be aware of basics, no need of depth, just basics you should know. So today I am going to explain geometrical constructions in the actually for triple E, ECM, electronic communication mechanical engineering. For some students it will be in second semester of your engineering course. So for us as a CSC student, I am a CSC student. So generally for us in first semester till engineering graphics is there. So for maximum ECM it will be in second semester. I didn't have idea about rest of all branches. So for CSC it will be in first year according to our college. So a syllabus is geometrical constructions in unit 1. Completely in every subject you will have 5 units, means for one semester you have 5 units. For engineering graphics, geometrical construction is your first unit. Okay, Going to depth about geometrical constructions, lettering, dimensioning, construction of polygons. These are the conicus, cycloids, involute scales. These are the topics you're having in Unit 1. Whereas first two topics, lettering and dimensioning, are the basic topics. Means if question paper, you will be having questions on only construction of polygons, conicus, cycloids, involutes, and scales. Whereas lettering and dimensioning, it's a basic concept. It won't be asked in exam, but you should know because it's the basic concept. Those basics will be applied in next four, means what, construction of polygons, conicus, cycloids, involutes, in those topics, and next four units also. So representation of solids in those topics, lettering and dimensioning will be useful. So you must be aware of basics. Don't miss this video, watch till the end. Okay, here in lettering and dimensioning and construction of polygons, in the next slide, see instruments required, no? Okay, I have already discussed this topic in the last video, but here I am explaining completely. So first, drafter is the main instrument that replaces all the what I have said now, instruments with circles or roller, ruler, and also means what you'll use, compass, means all the complete compass box. It will replace the compass box. See, you can see this is the drawing sheet, means this is the board you're using for drawing, and white color, this is the drawing sheet you're using. See here it represented, no, drawing sheet. Okay, your drafter will be like this. Here this is the fixing clamp, means tightly you should fix that clamp to your drafter, not your table, means your drawing table, so that it will be fixed tightly to the table, so you can move as you wish. Here you can move as you wish from left side to right side, front to back, whatever it is. So here it is the mini drafter and it is the ruler. So always what is the drafter you are using, it should not be with any error. Means here what is error, I'll explain you that also. See here, look, locking knob is there, no, beside one. See my arrow on the monitor, there one mark is there, that is the error of your drafter. Means what you should do, you should keep your drafter on the drawing table completely, as it will be perpendicular maximum. Drafters will have, means general drafters won't be having any errors. Basing on the transport they're using, means if you're going through bus, many general of the feedback or something will be there, so error may occur. So just please once check before using the drafter. If that mark is exactly at the zero, you didn't have any errors. If you have either above 0 or below 0, your draft is having error, you should reduce that error by using. So here locking knob is there, no, there another screw will be there, you should lose it. Again you should prepare it well. Again you should keep that 0 near that near that mark, and you should again fix it tightly, so that your error will be minimized. Okay, next is drawing sheet. You should maintain two sheets. You should maintain two sheets. Okay, one is main sheet, means what you are using for drawing, another is the support sheet, because we don't know what we're getting, means the drawing board will be there, no, we don't know whether it is getting perfect or not, means some up and downs will be there on the sheet, we don't know exactly. So you should use the support sheet, means your drawing will be on the main sheet, support sheet will be your down of the drawing sheet. Okay, clarified, no? Next, coming to pencils, as I said in the last video, you must use 3 pencils. Apsara and Atras are the main preferable companies of those pencils. Those pencils will be, I'll explain you in the next slide only. So H, as I said, you already know maybe, HB, 2H. These are the 3 pencils you should use in engineering graphics. HB pencil for the output, means what you're using. If a question is given like draw a circle, answer will be circle, no, that circle will be drawn through HB pencil. Whereas the construction, means you're drawing your length of, means your diameter, radius, your representation of numbers, whatever it is, that should be with H or 2H pencil. Okay, again you should use compass for drawing circles, and sharpener and as a eraser for erasing again. Okay, next. Okay, some basics of lettering and dimensioning. Coming to lettering, just you learn and apply. These are the main, means what is in engineering graphics, it is not like same other subjects. In general physics or chemistry, we used to write theory. lecturer will complete your paper. If the paper is full and completely something main points are there, he'll score marks. But whereas coming to engineering graphics, the main points are these lettering and dimensioning. If your lettering and dimensioning is somewhere errors are there, you may miss nearly 2 to 3 marks, because those are very important. But they won't be there from means not all the topics lettering and dimensioning. There are not, I'm not saying those are not important, but those are important, but they should be having basics. Those basics will be helpful in next 3 topics. Okay, coming to lettering basics, all measurements must be in millimeters. Means if you are generally all the questions will be given in millimeters only. If in case in centimeter, if centimeters are given in question, means 100 centimeters is given, that you should convert into millimeters. Whatever engineering graphics, millimeters must be used, no other measurement should be used. Okay, width of the letter should be 6 to 7 centimeters. Means the letter you are writing now, suppose for example I am writing Nikhil VIIT BTech. So N, that letter should be 6 to 7 mm. Width means down. Whatever it is up or down, that width should be 6 to 7 mm. Okay. Two letters should, distance between two letters should be 2 mm. Means Nikhil with BTech, no, N I. Between these two letters, 2 mm, 2 mm distance should be there. And height and width ratio will be there. For example, if Nikhil is there, that if the height is 10 meters, 10 millimeters, you should use 6 your width should be 6. If your height is 14 mm, your width should be 7. It does not, it should be accurate. It does not, it should not be 10 is to 7 or 16 is to 14. It will be wrong. Just use 10 is to 6 or 14 is 7. It will be, it is more preferable generally. Okay, next, 4 mm distance should be maintained between word to word. Means Nikhil width, no, and from Nikhil and width you must have 4 mm distance, so that you can, it will be visible nice clarity. That's it, not more than that. Okay, next. Okay, let's pause. Coming to here, using pencils, I said no already. For output of final answers you should use HP pencil. For constructions and dimensions you should use H or 2H. Okay, coming to here, today see construction of polygons is, as I said you, methods of dimensioning I'm skipping because it's not possible to explain here. It will be, it will be generally, it can be explained on drawing board. It is not I can't able to explain on the laptop, it is impossible. So generally, but I'll explain you types. Means method of dimensioning means unidirectional and aligned method, whereas coming to types, chain method, progressive method and parallel method, these are means generally we let measurements, no, mm. These will be of 3 types. So preferably we use chain method. Generally if any question is asked, draw a circle using progressive method, then you should use progressive method or parallel method. But if nothing is asked, just he asked draw a circle, you should use chain method representation because it is the simplest one. So generally chain method is preferable. If any especially separately asked, preferably asked, then you should use progressive. Whatever he asked, he should, according to paper you should move. Coming to construction of polygons, it is your third chapter in your first unit, geometrical constructions. Construction of polygons. What are polygons actually? Generally we can, how we can define polygons. Polygons are the closed surfaces having more than 4 sides. 4 sides means it's a square. Even square is also a polygon. So polygons should, they should have, means what are regular polygons? Regular polygons means what? Equal sides, lengths and angles. If one side is 40 mm, other side also should be 40 mm. It is known as regular polygon. So in regular polygon, our topic is construction of polygons, no? In construction of polygons, general method, inscribed circle method, angle method, 3 types are there. Today I'm going to explain you angle method in drawing board, so it will be easy for me to explain in drawing angle method in drawing board. Whereas general method in inscribed circle I can explain, but you can't understand in the laptop. So I'll use some, means I'll get aware of some more ways in future. So I'll try to explain those also. Still I didn't have any idea about inscribed circle method and general method. Means I can't explain you in the laptop. You should, I need to use another source, like, means if camera is that side, I should go that side and I'll explain you. It will be, then you can learn. but angle method I can explain you on the laptop. So today I'm explaining the angle method. Going to next PPT, that's all. No, okay, now I'll explain you the drawing of angle method. Okay, just wait, I am opening my white drawing board. Okay, here all I have already made some drawings. Okay, done. Coming to angle method. Okay, done. Okay, wait, just okay, I'll open a new whiteboard for you. It will be more understand for you. It means you can understand more easily. Okay, done. Coming to angle method. For example, if question is given like this, draw a pentagon using angle method which the length is 40 mm. Okay, here I am see, observe keenly, I am just doing construction. Okay, here I am taking black color. Then see, okay, if question is given like this, draw a pentagon of side 40 mm. So complete millimeters now in engineering graphics. So this is the line of 40 mm. So this is the main side no. So I have drawn it with a, okay, just I'll get more straight. Okay, done. Okay, this is of 40 mm. Okay, now in angle method you should check whether it is 9. Coming to angle method, this is 40 mm. Okay, for 40 mm. Here you will check whether it is 90 degrees or not. Yes, you should keep a protractor. No need of protractor. You use a drafter, right, in engineering graphics. So you'll place your protractor there and you'll check the 90 degrees. So in pentagon we will have 5 sides, right? So what we should do in pentagon, as it is 5 sides in pentagon, we should divide it with 360. So what we'll get, 360 by 5. Okay, we'll get 72. Means we should divide 360 by 5, as pentagon having 5 sides, we'll get 72 degrees. So let's measure 72 degrees over here. Understanding? I am not doing anything, it's too simple. Just observe keenly. You have given question like this, draw a pentagon of side 40 mm through angle method. Angle method is preferable method. Okay, I have drawn 40 mm line with because as it is a dark line, means it is the main, it is one of the side of the pentagon, so I have represented with long line, sorry, dark line. Here you will measure, here your external angle will be 72 degrees. Here you should measure 70 degrees, 72 degrees external angle. See, it is 72 degrees. In the same way, you will draw again 72 degrees. Means it's not exactly 72, just for your understanding. I am here doing 72 degrees. Okay. Now what you will do is, again this is also 40 mm, right? Okay. 72 degrees, you will point here. You will keep a point here. Again you will keep a point here. It will be 72 degrees. Then you should join the line now. Okay, join these lines. Join these lines again, so that this is also 40 mm, this is also 40 mm. Okay, again what you should do, again you should, there's from here, those are two methods. One you can do is, again keeping your protractor here, again calculating 72 degrees to draw a arc here, again 72 degrees to draw a line here. But it is somewhat tough. A bit easier is, listen what I'm saying now. Taking length of this 40 mm, 7 means our angle is 72 degrees, right? Now draw an arc. Okay, just draw an arc. Okay, where is my connection? Sure, you just wait a minute please, don't worry. Again it's loading. Okay, done. All right. Okay, Okay, here what I should do, again taking means side of a line of the sorry, length of the side is 40 mm, so taking 40 mm as length, again what I should do, I'll draw a arc from here, means taking compass, I'll keep my point here and I'll draw a arc over here with 40 mm radius. Okay, again from here I'll draw a arc from here with 40 mm, 40 mm, because my side is 40 mm. Understand? Right? Now we'll get the interact. Sorry, here both the arcs are interacted here, intersected here. So let's join those lines. Okay, it's a bit tough to draw on drawing board for me. Okay, now our pentagon is formed. This is drawing of pentagon through angle method. Means what you should do, you should take a 40 mm line of not only 40 mm, what he have given in the question you should take. Now as means if pentagon 5 sides are there, you have calculated with 5. If hexagon is asked, you should do 360 by 6, then you will get 60 degrees. Then what you will do, here 60 degrees, here 60 degrees you will calculate. Again you are going to take an length of 60 mm, you're going to draw in the same. Okay, same way, in the same way pentagon also you are going to do the same thing, draw a pentagon through angle method. This is the answer. And okay, that's it. I'll try to explain general method and inscribable circle method on a board, because as I am doing in laptop, you can see how I am struggling to explain angle method on laptop, so it's a bit tough. No problem, I'll try my level best in general method and inscribable circle method. Okay, another thing I want to discuss with you is, this is my first video speaking in English. If any errors are there, please don't say anything. Means not saying, you can report me, you can comment me. I'll means for improving my communication skills, I'm doing like this, not more than that. Coming to my next video again, when holiday, not only Sundays, again when to means not only 2 days, again Sunday is only there. Definitely I'll make a video on Sunday about C programming. I have a bit more experience comparing to engineering graphics on C programming, because I have learnt in AOC IT solutions C programming. So definitely I'll make a video on that, complete basics, only theory. Don't miss the video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, thank you.